Plants need light to grow. We all know that. But did you know that the UV light can dramatically impact your yields? It's true. Just like humans need a balanced diet, plants thrive under specific light conditions. By understanding the science of light, you can unlock your crop's full potential and achieve incredible results. Think of it like this. Sunlight isn't just one thing, it's a mixture of different colors, each with its own unique properties. Plants have evolved to use these colors in different ways. Some colors, like red and blue, are particularly important for photosynthesis, the process plants use to convert light into energy. By providing your plants with the right light spectrum, you can essentially give them a super boost. You can encourage faster growth, bigger yields, and even enhance the flavor and aroma of your crops. It's like giving your plants the perfect tan, but instead of a beach vacation, you're using the power of science. So, whether you're a seasoned grower or just starting your gardening journey, understanding the role of light is crucial. In the following sections, we'll delve deeper into the world of light spectrums and how you can use this knowledge to cultivate healthier, more productive plants. Get ready to shine a light on your gardening game and watch your yields soar. Let's break down this sunlight mystery further. Remember those rainbows after a summer rain? That's sunlight revealing its true, colorful self. Each color represents a different wavelength of light, and just like a radio tuned to the right frequency, plants absorb and utilize specific wavelengths more efficiently. This rainbow of light is known as the electromagnetic spectrum, but don't worry, you don't need a physics degree to understand the basics. For our plant growing purposes, we'll focus on the visible light spectrum, the colors we see, and their roles in plant development. Think of it this way. If sunlight is a toolbox, each color is a different tool, each with a specific function in plant growth. Red light is like the powerhouse, driving photosynthesis and stretching stems. Blue light, on the other hand, acts like a sculptor, promoting compact growth and robust leaves. By understanding which tools your plants need at different stages, you can fine-tune their environment for optimal growth. It's like having a secret recipe for success, but instead of flour and sugar, we're using wavelengths of light. Red light is like the gasoline that powers your car. It's the primary driver of photosynthesis, the engine that keeps your plants running. When plants absorb red light, they convert it into energy, fueling the production of sugars they need to grow tall and strong. Red light also plays a crucial role in flowering and fruiting. It signals to the plant that it's time to switch gears from leafy growth to reproductive mode. This is especially important for growers looking to maximize yields of fruits, vegetables, and flowers. Think of it this way. Imagine a sunflower basking in the summer sun. The abundant red light in sunlight allows the sunflower to grow tall and produce those iconic giant blooms. Without enough red light, your plants might become leggy and struggle to produce flowers or fruit. While red light is crucial for plant growth, too much of a good thing can be detrimental. An excess of red light can lead to stretched, spindly growth as plants try to reach for more balanced light. That's why it's important to understand the delicate balance of light spectrums and how to provide the right mix for each stage of your plant's life cycle. If red light is the accelerator, then blue light is the steering wheel. While red light encourages stretching and upward growth, blue light promotes stockier, more compact plants with thicker, healthier leaves. It's like giving your plants a dose of leafy greens. Blue light is essential for chlorophyll production, the pigment that gives plants their green color and allows them to absorb light energy. More chlorophyll means more efficient photosynthesis, leading to stronger, more resilient plants. Imagine growing lettuce under primarily blue light. The lettuce will be bushier and fuller than lettuce grown under primarily red light, which will be taller and have fewer leaves. Blue light also plays a role in stomatal regulation, the tiny openings on leaves that control gas exchange and water vapor release. Proper stomatal function is crucial for photosynthesis and overall plant health. By providing the right amount of blue light, you can help your plants regulate their internal environment and thrive. Section 5. Green light. Often reflected but not without its uses. Green light is often overlooked in the world of plant lighting. After all, plants are green because they reflect most of the green light that hits them, right? While it's true that plants don't absorb green light as efficiently as red and blue light, it's not entirely useless. Think of it like this. While red and blue light are the main courses in a plant's light diet, green light is like a side dish. It provides additional nutrients and can influence certain aspects of plant growth. Recent research suggests that green light can penetrate deeper into plant canopies, reaching leaves that receive less red and blue light. This can be particularly beneficial for multi-layered crops or plants with dense foliage. Furthermore, green light has been shown to influence leaf shape, stem elongation, and even the production of certain compounds that can enhance flavor and aroma in some plants. While the mechanisms are still being studied, it's clear that green light plays a role in the overall well-being of plants. Section 6. Striking the right balance spectrum needs throughout the plant life cycle. Just like humans need different nutrients at various life stages, plants require varying light spectrums throughout their growth cycle. Seedlings, for example, benefit from a higher ratio of blue light to encourage strong root development and prevent leggy growth. As plants mature and enter the vegetative stage, the focus shifts to maximizing leaf growth and photosynthesis. A balanced ratio of red and blue light, often around 4:1 or 5:1, is ideal during this phase. This balance ensures robust foliage development while preventing excessive stretching. Once plants transition into the flowering or fruiting stage, the light recipe changes again. Increasing the red light ratio, sometimes up to 6:1 or even higher, can stimulate bud formation and enhance fruit production. This mimics the natural shift in sunlight as days get shorter in late summer and fall. By fine-tuning the light spectrum to match your plant's specific needs at each stage, you can optimize growth, maximize yield, and even influence the flavor and aroma of your crops. It's like becoming a light chef, crafting the perfect recipe for plant success. Section 7. Optimizing your grow space, practical tips for maximum yield. Now that you're familiar with the power of light spectrums, let's translate that knowledge into practical tips for your grow space. Whether you're working with a sunny windowsill, a greenhouse, or a full-fledged indoor grow room, these tips can help you create the ideal light environment for your plants. 1. Choose the right lighting technology. LED grow lights have revolutionized indoor gardening, offering energy efficiency, customizable spectrums, and long lifespans. Fluorescent lights are another option, especially for seedlings and vegetative growth. 2. Position lights strategically. Ensure even light distribution over your entire canopy. Adjust light height as plants grow to maintain an optimal distance and prevent light burn. 3. Monitor and adjust. Invest in a light meter to measure light intensity, or PPFD, and ensure your plants are receiving the right amount. Observe your plants closely for signs of light stress, such as leaf discoloration or wilting. 4. Utilize reflective surfaces. Maximize light utilization by using reflective materials, such as white paint or mylar, on the walls and floor of your grow space. This helps bounce light back onto plants, reducing energy waste. And 5. Don't forget ventilation. Proper airflow is crucial for healthy plant growth, especially in enclosed environments. Ensure adequate ventilation to dissipate heat generated by grow lights and maintain optimal humidity levels. Section 8. Beyond the visible spectrum, exploring the roles of UV and far-red light. While visible light takes center stage in plant growth, other parts of the electromagnetic spectrum also play supporting roles. Ultraviolet, or UV light, for example, is often associated with sunburns, but in small doses it can benefit plants. UV light can stimulate the production of protective pigments and antioxidants in plants, making them more resistant to pests and diseases. It can also enhance the flavor and aroma of certain crops, such as basil and cannabis. Far-red light, on the other hand, sits just beyond the edge of the visible spectrum and is often overlooked. However, far-red light plays a crucial role in regulating plant responses to light, including stem elongation, flowering time, and shade avoidance. By understanding the subtle influences of UV and far-red light, advanced growers can further fine-tune their lighting environments to elicit specific plant responses and maximize desired characteristics. Section 9. Harnessing the power of light, a brighter future for your crops. As we've explored, light is more than just an energy source for plants. It's a language they understand and respond to. By learning to speak this language, by understanding the nuances of light spectrums and their effects on plant growth, we can unlock a world of possibilities for our gardens and grow spaces. Whether you're a seasoned grower seeking to maximize yields or a curious beginner eager to nurture thriving plants, embracing the power of light can transform your gardening experience. By applying the knowledge and tips shared in this essay, you can create the ideal light environment for your plants, empowering them to reach their full potential. So, go forth and experiment. Play with different light spectrums, observe your plants closely, and don't be afraid to make adjustments. Remember, the most successful gardeners are those who are constantly learning and adapting. And with the power of light in your hands, the future of your garden is bright indeed.